Okay, so you're going to be required to make your own game assets for this. Okay, so like I have a worksheet that I'm going to give you. You will sketch out, because I don't want it to just be a straight off Pong game. I was like, we can be more creative than that. Like, could you do a mishmash? Could you come up with something? Could the rackets be something different? And you're working at a really small size. I mean, that little Pac-Man is only 20 pixels by 20 pixels. Okay, so I'm going to provide you a worksheet. You're going to have to do your sketches, and there's also the sizing for everything. Okay, so you'll do that in Photoshop. Okay, remember, do it in Photoshop because you're working in pixels, you're doing bitmap. Okay, so once I went ahead and I created my assets, I came up with my idea, sketched it out. I go ahead and I save those as a PNG file. Okay, portable network graphic. Okay, you could save it as a GIF, but everybody online says the PNG files work better in Unity, so that's what I did. All right, and then also we'll save your transparencies. If you, like on my Pac-Man, instead of having white around the outside of it, it saved that transparency within that. And I'm not going to go over how to do your graphics because I feel like you guys can handle it because we worked in Photoshop a lot. Okay, so let's talk about once you drag things in to your assets, your projects over here, you click on it here. Okay. This part of the inspector will come up, and what you want to do is make sure it's Sprite 2D, single, and then pixels per unit. This is a big one. You need to change it to 1. Default is 100. Okay, so that would mean if you left it 100, for every single pixel that is in your game object, it's going to multiply that by 100. But I want 1 to 1. Okay, so that if I did 20 pixels, I'm only going to get 20 pixels in Unity. Okay, so that needs to be changed. I believe that was still on. That was default. That was fine. Clamp. Bilinear. Okay, check those options there. Max size is fine. Normal quality. And then I would go ahead and hit apply. Because once you change this, it's going to be down here. It's going to, even if you go off of it, it's going to tell you, do you want to apply this? And yes, you do. So any of your game objects, you can hold the shift key, select multiple game objects, and if you want to change your pixels per unit on all of them across the board, you can do that. And then it'll automatically click apply and you're done. Okay, so that is how you would change your pixels per unit on an imported graphic sprite for Unity.